Human Resources Management, the tequila industry. The subject I will be talking about is how is the theory the same as reality, and how the theory different to reality. And the material I will be referring to are managing performance and rewarding and recognizing employees, and the specific of these materials are management practices, purpose of performance reviews, what are the rewards, and common organization reward goals. Now, management practices are performed. Management system is a set of integrated management practices. While the formal review of employees' performance is a key component, a good performance review program consists of two primary things. A system of approach first allows the organization to integrate the management functions in order to maximize employee potential, and the second one is to help increase employee satisfaction with their work and organization. In the tequila industry, there are many faults in management. Mexican management policy are not very coherent or strictly enforced, which has affected the way the Tequila Corporation has developed. Also, this leads to a poor chain of work and lesser revenue. Next is the purpose of performance reviews. Performance reviews are several purposes, all intended to benefit both the organization and the employee, and to ensure that any decisions are based on objective information. It's also composed of four things: compensation, administrative, measurements of performance, and developmental. Of course, Mexico lacks in all four purposes of managing performances. Like in compensation, they have none. They do not get any raise or whatsoever. In administrative, they don't deserve promotions. The workers have no paperwork, so in the end, they can't be referred to other jobs or other stuff like that. Developmental. Since there are no management, well, sadly, no feedback whatsoever is given to the employees. And last but not least, measurement of performances. The industries have no goals set in place. This leads to probably chaos. Although one of the most important thing is productivity. So they do not have goals, but they just want to maximize productivity. Now, for the rewards, probably in Canada, it is important to know that employee recognition and rewards include all form of pay, rewards, and recognition by employees for the performance of their job. It could be a direct or indirect compensation. It could also be a financial or non-financial. In Mexico, there are no compensation, so that settles it for it. Actually, I wouldn't be surprised if they did not get paid for their work, or they got paid but a miserable salary. To finish, we have the common organization reward goals. The reward for past performances: attract, motivate, and retain key employees, control compensation, budget, and equity. Compensation in Mexico: as far as salary equity, some Mexicans don't get paid for their long hours of work, and the tequila industries do not consider the possibility of compensation. They have enough problems as trying to pay the workers. Thank you.